Okay. So now I want to edit this. I can correct it here anyway. Is it saved? You do not even, you only type it yourself, you do not even customize it. So what is going to happen? I'm going to customize the page. So like I told you, the one we customized the other time. Look at it here. Okay, not on this system. Is it not on this system? Eh? Okay, the other version. The other version, okay. So now what we do, just go to layout, another layout, do page. So look at that page setup. The other one we're looking for page setup until we now find it out under insert, under page, So this is page setup. Right? So that's why I used to tell you that it depends on the version of program installed on your system. All right. So now we have it this way now. So come here, type 3.4, then come here, type 2.1. You can use 2.2 anyway, but 2.1 is also the actual size of the this thing. So you choose landscape here. Then now click here to save. Save. Then you can now type plastic ID card. Plastic ID card. So click on OK. So now as you have it that way, then click on OK again. Now you have it this way. See it here. So next time I want to create, I can easily come here and choose it just like every other page created here. So I'll just choose my own size. So anytime I want to design plastic ID card. Now let me zoom it for us to see it clearly. So I have it this way. All right. All right. So now we need to design the background because we are designing landscape plastic ID card. So double click on the rectangle. Now I double click. You can click and draw over anyway. She understand, but I just decided to double click. So now once you do that, then go to fill color. So I can come here and choose fill. I can choose fill. Edit fill. So under edit fill. But instead of me to go there, I can always come here instead of me to begin to look for it here. Yes, instead of it for me to begin to look for it here, I can just come here and double click. Sorry, I can just come here and double click. So the same by dialog box will appear. They click on uniform. This is uniform. So under uniform, but I'm not using uniform. I'm going to use texture. I'm going to use texture or bitmap. No, let me see texture. Yeah, texture. So you can see this texture. So see the design of the texture. So if I want it that way, I will leave it. Then I'll click on it. Okay. If you want it to still have bubbles, see the bubbles. The bubbles is small here. But when you get to this place, because of the size, the bubble is wide. So now what I can do, if I want it to still have that small bubbles, so what you do, you come and resize it here. You change the sizes here. You saw it now. You change the sizes. This is to wide, this is to reduce. So it will have more bubbles. So you can also, adjust it here. You can adjust. So as you just adjust there before you get what you want. So me, I like it this way. I'll just double it. So I want it this way. So now it has black, black what? Outline. I don't want it. I will right click on there. I right click to remove the black outline. Okay. So I will double click again. Papa. Then that one is at the back. That one is at the back because I didn't draw over. I double click, so the thing will be drawn at the back. So I can say sheet page job to bring it to the front. Then let me apply color. You see what I'm trying to say. See, that is front. And I use sheet page job to bring it to front. So now double click here. I want to give it another color. So I'm giving it let me see texture. So two color. This is two color. This is texture. You see that? So this texture, come here and choose styles. Choose styles. So under styles, I will see the type of this thing that looks like a heaven. Okay, you see the hair. It looks like a hair multicolor. So I want that. Then I'll click on OK. So let me remove the line. I'll say no line. All right. Now it has covered the one we did at the back, Abby. Look at it. It has covered the one we did at the back. So how do I make it appear? I'm trying to blend it together. See your now. So what do? Come and choose transparency. So under transparency, go to uniform. So under uniform, you have it this way. So the color is blended. Just now. So if you feel like okay, you want it to be more darker, let the color come out more. You can reduce this thing here. You see that? You can reduce that. So you see having that design at the back. You understand now? All right. So now you are designing. You are finished designing your. You are finished designing your background. Let's
So far,
begin.
save it.
Okay. So let's save a video.
The video, just cut it now.
Okay.